Hello, we are WeChange.AI. I'm going to briefly talk you through the service in hopefully under 2 minutes. So that's me. I don't need to talk through this. It's awkward, and you can find me on LinkedIn. We do a framework for change. So we come in and support organizations with the bits that they need around change and adoption. We basically assess the organization. So we send out a questionnaire. We've got a framework that really works well. It goes from managers to other members of staff, and it gets people to engage in the process so they can have a voice. They can say, this is what we want to do. They can know pressure and workload, influences on themselves, perceptions of tech, skilling needs, accessibility needs, learning styles, loads. It takes about 12 minutes to complete the assessment, but it means that we've got a ton of data to be able to support you. We also provide a data aggregation service. So if your organization going through something like local government reform, it means that we can aggregate that data up and we can provide issues and opportunities at the scale that you're working to. Really, really helpful stuff. Now, once we've got the data, we're able to then support you with 2 Power BI reports. So this is the main one. This has got our navigation page. You've got a summary page showing the results. We can look at the different departments and services. So you look given these. We can look at lots of summaries using AI throughout it. We look at how people are spending their time in the organization. We're looking at ways that they benchmark. So are you spending more or less time than other organizations? A helpful indicator. We've got scores in there. We've got technology use. So we've got the applications that people are aware of based on the licenses that you've got so you can get more value for money. We look at the confidence in technology. We benchmark against all of this to help you understand if you're using more or less aware. We look at the culture in the organization, looking at it as heat maps. Is people anxious? What's the structure of the organization? Can we help you more? We've got a load of open text questions around barriers and opportunities. We look at accessibility to support you. We enable you to ask about your own applications because public sector is complicated. You've got lots of applications. We identify roles in the organization so you can help those with lower needs and we can help those with higher needs. We benchmark against everything. We even do year on year comparisons looking at whether you've made a return on investment or value on investment. We also have the learning module. So, learning module is a playback for teams and managers and anyone that wants to look at it. It gives the results for the service, how they're spending their time, the applications they're using and could be using. All of this has got links, so I could click on Loop here and it's going to take me to the Loop page, so I can look at Loop and see if that's useful to me. We have your change agents in here. We look at accessibility requirements such as neurodiversity. We have M365. We have lots and lots on AI, as you'd expect in the age of AI. We play back the results in terms of how much time you're spending on things like email management, producing documents, task management, scheduling of meetings. All of this is in a handy package that will enable you to digitally transform for significantly less than you might expect. So please speak to us. Most of our customers are paying £10,000 to £25,000 for a year's service, and I can share that as it's publicly available information. We hope to hear from you soon. If you'd like to speak to us, please go to our website and contact us, or go on LinkedIn and have a chat. That wasn't quite 2 minutes, but I've done pretty well considering there's a huge amount to talk about. Thank you very much. I'm Andrew Boxall. Speak to you soon.